Good morning, SK. I'm Maddie Martin.
And I'm Adri Schaefer. We hope you're having a fantastic Friday. Maddie, do you want to start us off with the news?
You already know. With homecoming soon approaching, guest forms are available online or in the main office during non-class time. Get this form ASAP, as guests in grade 9 to 12 require an approval signature from their school. Tickets go on sale next week for $8 with ASB and $10 without. Check your student account to make sure you are fine-free so you are able to purchase tickets. Also, head on over to the security office if you have recently lost something. Any lost and found not collected by the end of the school day today will be donated to charity.
Fellow seniors, to request transcripts, you need to create an account with Parchment. If you're planning to attend college, join the military, apply for apprenticeship programs, or a scholarship, this means you. The link to Parchment can be found on the SKHS website under Student tab and Transcript Request. The Career Center has so many scholarships to check out, like a $4,000 Wazoo Regent Scholarship due October 9th, and a $20,000 Coca-Cola Scholars Program due the 31st. Head on over to the Career Center for more info for many, many more scholarships.
Fall Preview Day at Western Washington University will be Saturday, October 26th. Consider going to connect with current students, tour campus and the residence halls, and learn about admission and financial aid. Seniors who have signed up for the SAT prep on Saturday, please bring something to write on and something to write with. They will start promptly at 9 a.m. in the main theater. Please be there early to get a good seat.
Next week, many colleges will have their reps here. College of Idaho will be here on October 7th, Northern Arizona University on October 8th, and Gonzaga will be here on October 9th. Get your pass from the Career Center if you're interested.
And in club news, the clubs meeting today will be Builders of Unity, and on Monday, Magic the Gathering, STEM, and ASL will meet. Speaking of the STEM Club, they will be hosting an event for International Observe the Moon Night this Saturday from 7 to 8:15 p.m. in the Commons and South parking lot.
Hiking Club will meet today at 2:15 in the Commons to discuss future hikes. There will be a National Honor Society meeting on Monday at 2:10 in room 202C. Speaking of, Green Tea will be meeting on Mondays from now on.
Calling all drone hobbyists and flight captains, there's a new club forming at SK. It's the Flight Club. The first meeting will be on October 17th from 2 to 4 p.m. in room 178A in the lower common area. Now on to sports news. Let's roll the schedule of events. Good luck, Wolves. Sadly, the boys' water polo suffered a 15-6 loss at Peninsula last night. Scoring for South were Jack Sampson and Carson Rader with 2 goals each, and 1 score apiece for Ethan Conrad and Dalton Lynham.
Varsity Lady Wolves beat Graham Kapowson 1-0. Senior goalkeeper Kendall Thomas earned her first shutout of the season. Player of the match was Carmelita White for her hard work in the defensive line. She shut players down effectively and a major contributor to the shutout. JV Wolves tied Graham Kapowson 2-2 with goals from McKenna Seiler and Ava Tolstrup. They fought hard and outplayed their competitors every minute of the game. The MVP was a tie between Haley Heapson and Emily Forland for their amazing work on the defensive line. C-Team won 7-0 with goals from Allie Laundermilk, Ashton Martin, Olivia Bolin, and Haley Matthews. Great job, Wolves.
Before we end the show, did you know today's World Smile Day?
As is well known by now throughout the world, Harvey Ball, a commercial artist from Massachusetts, created the smiley face in 1963. The image went on to become the most recognizable smile of goodwill and good cheer on the planet. As the years passed, Harvey Ball became concerned about the over-commercialization of the symbol and how its original meaning and intent had become lost in the constant repetition of the marketplace. Out of that concern came the idea of World Smile Day. He thought all of us should devote one day each year to smiles and acts of kindness throughout the world. The smiley face knows no politics, no geography, and no religion. Harvey's idea was that for at least one day each year, neither should we.
Go out and spread the kindness, South. Well, Adri, with that, I think we've come to the end of our show.
I guess so. I've been Adri.
And I've been Maddie.
And we'll see y'all next time.